ready? Are you ready?
So this is the kitchen door when you stand in front. So I have this slide door because I didn't want to have the normal door that was in here, so I decided to get this slide door. So when you open the door, this is what you get in the kitchen. I'll kind of clean it a little bit and wash the dirty dishes. So I'm trying to like change some few stuff here. So I just want to show you guys how this kitchens look like. My kitchen is pretty big compared to other kitchens. It's pretty big, but it's also maybe a little bit smaller compared to the ones that you guys have in your houses. So when you stand in front of the door, this is what you see in the kitchen. I always open that window there. I always tied up the knots so that the sun comes in, and I close this one. So on this side of the kitchen here, you just have a fridge, a dishwasher, and a washing machine. I have a little oven there. This place, I'm trying to do like a little bit of clean up, renovation, clean stuff up. Not renovation, but kind of like tied everything up. Excuse that you guys are gonna see a lot of those things there for the flies. That's because you know, we are in the summer in Holland and the fly comes around. Here I have all my blending stuff, fruits and everything, but I'm going to try to clean up this place, make everything nice. And I also got a new fridge, a bigger one. I used to have a bigger one before and it spoiled. And at that time I wasn't really in the mood. My budget wasn't really, I wasn't really planning to like get a new fridge at that time, because at that time I was pregnant with my third child and we were thinking of buying baby stuff because I didn't have anything. I've given everything away, so we were buying everything from scratch. So we didn't really plan to like buy a new fridge, and then the fridge we had at that time just stopped working for no reason, and to make it was a little bit expensive, so we decided to just throw it away and got this smaller one. So now finally I've got a bigger one which will be coming very soon, maybe this week. So that's why I want to do like some makeover. And also got a white fridge. It's a white one so that everything here at least looks white except for the fruits and all those things that are standing here. So this one is going away and I'm just going to try to organize everything here. And I also have this in like this store where I put all of my food stuff. Also here I'm trying to organize everything so that everything looks nicer. This is how everything is looking at the moment, as you guys can see. I have all my milks, the kids drink for school, rice, and all them biscuits and cookies and all pasta and everything standing here. Here I have all my seasoning and everything is looking good. I have a lot of sardines in here. If you're an African, I guess you know sardine is part of African home. I have like my plates and plastic cup for the kids. Here I have just random stuff there. I have just random stuff there for the kids. Like there I have some random stuff which I just like blending stuff and everything. So I'm just gonna try to organize this place, make it nicer. Get some of those containers where you can put like pasta, those pasta container. I do have few of those container right at the back there. So I just want to organize it really nice and make everything nice. So this is the part of the kitchen. This is just like random, and now I'm going to show you guys this other space. This other space of the kitchen is pretty organized, pretty good. The kitchen is quite big. It's like I really have like a big space between where the fridge and count, like here I really have some big space. So this is pretty organized. I have enough storage, I have enough space there to put stuff, which I'm really happy about, and everything looks really nice, you know. And here I just have some random things in here, you know, some random plates, teacup and all that kind of things, bowls for salad and everything. And here I have all my glass cup and my macaroons, which I've stopped taking because your girl has gained a lot of weight, but I'm gonna start taking it very soon. And here I just have some food that I get out of the fridge, because you guys know I normally cooked and then I put them in this container, I put them in the freezer, so the days that I don't feel like cooking, I just take it out, boiled rice, and we eat it like that if rice is what we want to eat. And here I have all my spoons and all my seasonings, which are right there. I have all my seasonings there. I do use a lot of natural seasonings, as you guys can see. These are the seasons I have, and I really like them because I always use those ones for tea as well. This thing that's supposed to be here, how we call it in Dutch, afzuigkap. Afzuigkap, I don't know the English word, but the one that suck all the smoke when you're cooking. The one I have is actually broken. The first one was spoiled, and then I got a second one, but I didn't got the right size, but I actually fixed it and I was using it, and then I didn't like the way it looked, so I decided, you know what, I'm just going to throw that one away, and then we're going to buy another one, because we're supposed to get one that actually fit all the way in there. Supposed to get one that goes in there, but so I'm just gonna wait for a little bit, because now I've actually bought a freezer, so I'm just gonna wait for a little bit. So now this is everything. This is how the kitchen is looking. There where the clock is hanging is just a meter. It's just the meter of the house, like where the warm water gets hot and everything. I always have chairs in my kitchen, like just 2 chairs, because I love company. I love to have someone in the kitchen whilst I'm cooking. I don't like to cook alone. I don't like to be alone whilst cooking, so I always like to have someone in the kitchen cooking with me or talking, just to entertain myself. So this is how everything is looking. So guys, stay tuned. And those are my kids. I just have pictures of my kids and stuff there. So yeah, this is how everything is looking. I'm also going to try to paint a little bit, like trying to paint this side of the wall so you guys can see the kids' fingerprint and everything. Trying to paint a little bit there if there's any other space, like for example this side. I'm not going to paint it because I wanted to paint it, and my daughter, she was like, no, I like the smiley face. Maybe I'm just gonna paint around here a little bit and then leave the smiley, because she said, oh, I like it. When I look at it, and when I wake up in the morning, I come to the kitchen, I see the smiley, I feel like smiling as well. So I said, okay, I'm not gonna paint it, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. But for the rest, I'm just gonna paint a little, not like entire painting, but like everywhere where I see a mess, I'm going in with a painting brush, make sure everything is clean. So guys, this is it, and stay tuned for the finished results. The fridge will be here anytime now. So today I'm going to start painting, so that by the time the fridge is here, the kitchen is looking beautiful. So yeah, welcome to my house.